this year I didn't really want to buy a fresh Christmas tree, and I decided to challenge myself to see if I could actually design one that would work for us rather than buying an artificial one. So I took it on, and here are a few design parameters. 1, it's got to look good. 2, it needs to be able to hold all of our ornaments. That's a must. And 3, it needs to break down easily for storage. So, as far as style, I love the simplicity of the Nelson bubble clock and the Eames hang-all. I think those things are really cool. And I really wanted to go for something that was a little bit more modern than a traditional tree. So for the design of the tree, I'm going to use a simple step and repeat pattern where the branches rotate a set angle and move up the trunk of the tree a set distance, and then step and repeat over and over again, and this will create a spiral that goes up the trunk, which will look really cool. So anyways, enjoy the build. Tree worked out great for our holiday celebration, and we look forward to using it for years to come. If you're interested in building one, I have plans available on my Etsy store, link below. I'm also going to offer a limited run of trees built by me. They'll be built to order, which will also be on the Etsy store as well. Please consider supporting me on Patreon if you like this content and want to see more of it.